In this video, I'm going to show you how we can create a server group. So first of all, you have to open your server manager, which I have already opened for you. And then you see this option, create a server group. So click on this. And here you will see your own server. And you can type the IP address or name of the server, or you can browse the computers. So I have a machine here. I have already installed. The name is server 2012 and IP address is 10.0.0.4. I have to just click on add and click on OK. Sorry, already added. It's okay. I have to give a name. Then click on OK. So here your server has been added and the group we have created is server group. So I can manage this server from here, and I can also add as many as server I want. So if you have any other server, you can use find now button and add it to the server group. So if I want to say restart this remove server, I can do this from here. So here you can see the server has been restarted, and also you can manage this server through window PowerShell also, which I will tell you in the later. And also you can remove the server and remove server from group and configure the NIC timing, or you can take a remote desktop connection, or you can manage the computer, or you can add rules and feature using this server group onto the destination server. This is the practical I want to show you. Thanks for watching.